Ooh, I was parched. I probably should have had a straw, huh? That's how you know I don't wear makeup like that. Clearly, I probably should have a straw with the lipstick already applied, but whatever. It doesn't even matter. Mind your business. So I started off by sectioning off my hair into 4 sections, but within each section I had to section it off. My hair is hella thick, all right? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spritz her. You already know I like to spritz a little H2O on my hair just because it's easier to work with, all right? Then we just gonna apply the product, all right? This time I'm using Miss Jessie's Coily Custard. I've only used this like on my braid outs. Wait, was it my braid out? Twist out one of them. I think it was my braid out or something. Ain't like y'all didn't see it. It was just like something I randomly did off camera, just to like see how I liked it. But I seemed to like it or whatever, so I was like, let me try this with the Flexi Rod and see what she's gonna get with a curl, okay? So I applied the product. Oh, and before I sectioned off my hair, or while I was sectioning off, I sectioned it off with some leave-in conditioner. So all I've used in my hair so far was leave-in, and I just applied the little Coily Custard stuff, all right? So then we just gonna brush this product through, all right? We gonna split this section again in half, only because my hair hella thick, okay? And we gotta do what we gotta do. If your hair is a little thinner than mine, then you ain't gotta do this many sections, okay? Then you already know, do less, don't do more. You got your rod, we gonna bend her, okay? Boom, like the letter U. So then we gonna take her like this and we gonna wrap her around like this. Just gonna wrap her. Let me, hold up, I'm doing too much. You're going too fast, slow it down, child. Okay, there we go. And when you do it, make sure this rod is as close to your root as possible, all right? And we twist her around like that. And you see the motion of my hand, how I'm going like that, okay? And around. All right. And then when I come to the end, I'll be needing some more product for my ends. Y'all already know we can't have the ends looking extra dry, child. And we're gonna come around. And then with this part, you're just gonna turn it up just to make sure the ends are kind of like locked in place. And then there you have it. So now we're gonna move on to the next side. This is my only challenge, is when I'm going to go do the next part of hair, it might move like that, but other than that, it's cool. We're gonna take this piece of hair that we had off to the side and we're gonna wrap this around the other part of this Flexi Rod right here. So we're gonna take our piece here that's empty and we gonna, why should it look like that? Okay, I'm gonna twist it like this and then I'm gonna wrap it, because this is the front. I can't have the front looking a mess. If I don't get nothing else right, I'm gonna get the front right, okay? Because that's where the money maker is. So you're gonna go like this and wrap her, okay? I like to apply more product on the end just to make sure she's not dry and always juicy, okay? Let me see. And then go around and just go like that. And then we gonna push her up just to secure the ends. Hopefully they don't come out. had to go back through and smooth out that little piece because that wasn't no ma'am for me. So I had to go back. Now I'm about to retwist it. Y'all, I don't know what is going on right here. I don't want to do this section over for a third time. We just gonna flow with it. So hopefully when I take it out, it don't throw off the like flow of the curl pattern. So we gonna see. It's all about trial and error here, people. Trial and error. So we gonna start with the back. Let's undo her. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what I didn't think about when I was doing this is when I twisted the hair around the rod, I should have did it in the same direction to make it easier to unravel, because now the hair won't fluidly just like go down. So just make that a lesson to, if you even try the Flexi Rod set, make sure you wrap the hair in the same direction to make it easier on yourself to unravel the hair. Because now I can't just pull her down. Now I gotta do an extra step and just like unravel her with my hand instead of the rod just kind of fluidly doing it. So lesson learned, first time, right? Trial and error, people, trial and error. I'm gonna just take a piece. I'm gonna take the end. Let me get a mirror, hold on. Oh, she has a crunch, I can hear the crunch. And then I'm gonna take this one. Now she rolls down. Okay. All right. There's a curl there. It's a couple of curls. Okay, so with this piece, I did it in the same direction. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So here, see how she just goes down like that? Boom, pow. Just make sure you do it on all of them, because I clearly messed up on the first one. So I don't know what I did on these other ones. I was just throwing the rods in my head. Ooh, I was parched. I probably should have had a straw, huh? That's how you know I don't wear makeup like that. Clearly, I probably should have a straw with the lipstick already applied, but whatever. It doesn't even matter. Mind your business. One thing I noticed is I had a hard time kind of keeping my ends tucked in. Look at this. Look how raggedy, y'all. Look how raggedy. Hot mess, huh? Just a hot mess. But I don't know. Hopefully she'll blend in, or maybe I should like, let me just snip her. Hold on. I know these are not trimming scissors. Don't come for me. This is the closest thing I saw. So we just gonna do this. And honestly, I don't even think I have trimming scissors now that I think about it. We just gonna clip that in, because she was looking real raggedy and dry. Still looks raggedy and dry, but it's okay. We gonna press through with these curls. Okay, now I'm gonna take the coconut oil and just start peeling this apart, or pulling it apart, I should say. So we gonna see what she gives. I like to kind of smooth her on down. I'm looking in the mirror too at the same time. Ooh, okay, y'all, look. Okay, okay. She's giving curl life. She's giving curl life. Let's keep going. Hold on, Lena, now don't get carried away. Just because the first one is popping don't mean the others will. Okay. just gonna pick her and fluff her. Y'all already know. Y'all know the routine by now. Okay, let's get to this Flexi Rod, y'all. For my first time, I'm not mad at it, okay? I think I did great. I think I did lovely. I feel like I like this better than the Flexi Rod set just because it looks so full. It looks like second day hair, really. It doesn't even look like it's the first day. You know how the first day hair be like kind of tight and real coily? No ma'am, these are loose and fluffy, and this is super cute, big hair. So let's get to this look. Okay, you guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Do all that good stuff for your girl. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.